Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study English quickly. First, establish specific, measurable goals, such as mastering a certain number of vocabulary words or understanding a particular grammar concept each week. Next, commit to a consistent study schedule, even if it's just for 30 minutes daily. Finally, assess your current proficiency to customize your learning path effectively. To accelerate your learning, engage in active practice. Try speaking English aloud for at least 15 minutes daily, even if it's just narrating your thoughts. Immerse yourself by actively listening to English podcasts or news for 20 minutes, focusing on comprehension. Additionally, read short English texts for 10 minutes to expand your vocabulary and improve reading fluency. Immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Watch movies or TV shows with English subtitles, then try without them. Regularly review new vocabulary using flashcards or language learning apps, aiming for 20 new words daily. Also, practice writing by keeping a short journal in English. This helps solidify grammar and sentence construction. Consistency is key to rapid progress. Stick to your study routine as much as possible, even if it means shorter sessions on hectic days. Leverage the vast array of online resources, from grammar guides to language exchange platforms, to enhance your learning. Remember to check the description below for the link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Consistent effort truly makes a difference in language acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.